Okay, there we go. There it is. I've put it pretty much all together. The lockdown bar, the side rail, the glass. I just need to put the other side rails on. I gotta attach this piece of metal, the piece of wood here, and another piece of metal I gotta buy. See? I gotta bring those cables up, put the back box on. Take a look. Oh, look, there's a ball. What's going to happen with the ball? There it goes, see? Shooter works. Open it up. A little stuck there. Sorry, look at it. Still got to do a lot of work to it, but it's in there. Got to put the wires on, and everyone's seen the demos. This will work. Stick this on top. Yeah, we're talking a game.